Darkroom is used to process photographic film, to make prints, and to carry out other associated tasks. It is a room that can be made completely dark to allow the processing of light-sensitive photographic materials, including film and photographic paper. Various equipment is used in the darkroom, including an enlarger, vats containing chemicals, and running water. Darkroom layout. It is essential that the darkroom should be suitably constructed and that the processing solution should be sustainable, maintained, and used. A room should be set aside a permanent darkroom, ideally with the floor area or not less than 8 by 6 feet. All through individual circumstance must be dictated where a darkroom is to seated. The following points must be borne in mind. The room must be capable of being made completely light-proof. It should be damp or subjected to extreme of temperature. Water and electrical outlets should be provided. A room should be set aside a permanent darkroom with sufficient space to accommodate a dry bench, 2 by 3, a wet bench, and a sink. To large room is as undesirable as a small room. Dark room should be near the X-ray examination area. The room must be capable of being made completely light-proof to avoid film, fog, and should be ventilated. The walls should be constructed of solid concrete 15 cm thick. Have a lid box inside to store boxes of unexposed film currently in issue. The wall and roof should be painted by white or cream enamel as such a paint acts as a good reflecting surface for safe light. X-ray rotating warning light in hallway switches on, signaling that X-ray machine is operating.